Consider yourself lucky if you stumbled upon this video on your YouTube algorithm. This is the break we have been waiting for. Bitcoin is breaking above the 45k level. Now, for those of you who've been following the channel, you've probably seen me draw these two scenarios a lot of times in the past videos. One of them was this scenario right here, which offers favorable buying opportunities at the retracement if you're a retracement trader, or buying opportunities right away if you're a breakout trader, or towards the downside, if we broke out right here and made a retracement, it would offer favorable shorting opportunities. Now, what is the market doing? Well, it wants to move up. We just broke the most significant zone of resistance Bitcoin has ever probably had, and we're moving upwards. Now, it's going to be very important to see what the next 3 hours bring to us. If the daily candle closes above, baby, we're looking bullish for another week. Now, that's what I'm saying, but if the daily candle does close, with a wick up, then we're probably moving down. So, very important update, and let's move on to ANKR. I'm going to come back to this chart in a minute or two. Now, what is ANKR? ANKR is a Web3 protocol. These guys are trying to build services for Web3. So, this is for builders who can access premium APIs, which are basically connections from blockchain to the real world, and also access liquidity staking if you're a user. Using ANKR Earn, you can get a 8.9% return per year by just simply keeping your ANKR in their staking program. 5.5% on Binance, 9.3% on Phantom, being the most lucrative one at this point. Now, ANKR has some huge potential for the future, for builders, for DeFi users, for enterprises as well, if you want to save time and money and make a way more efficient ecosystem using ANKR's actual protocol. Their market cap is at $700 million right now. That can go way up, baby, way up, okay? So make sure to keep this one in your watch list. It's still down low, and you can purchase it if you want to purchase it somewhere on many of the largest exchanges in the world, which are not actually loading right now, but Binance, Coinbase, and all of the larger ones. Now, moving back into the chart, we have Bitcoin right here. It's just very important to see where the daily candle closes. So that's the only piece of advice that I have for you guys. If it closes above this level, we are looking amazingly bullish. My prediction, we're gonna close below. Personally, I believe that it's a fake pump, it's a fake out, it's to get all of the buyers excited, and they're gonna push the price down now with sell orders because it's a way too strong of a zone. So if you want to confirm an upwards move, we need this daily candle to close bullish. Now, let's take a little look on ANKR and see what it's actually doing right now. Basically, I've plotted out a few scenarios for ANKR as well, right? Depending on what Bitcoin does, and these are the two, right? We had this nice little triangle, and we're moving bullish, right? So every single coin out there is pretty much moving bullish, following Bitcoin right now, and so is ANKR. So we're going to remove this bearish scenario, and currently what we're looking at is a nice breakout from this level. Now, something that I want you to keep in mind is that we're still not confirmed to be moving bullish, because we do have another zone of significant resistance right about here. So personally, once we break out from this zone, it's a very, very clear sailing up into the previous all-time high level. So keep an eye out for that as well. When it comes to dollar cost averaging, I would personally buy ANKR whether it's right here or right here, because I believe that in the long run, it can definitely reach the dollar mark, which we can see if we zoom, all the way out. We can see that judging by the growth, even though we did have a little break of this long-term trend line, I believe we bottomed out enough and are ready to make another huge impulse towards more upside. So thanks for watching another video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, subscribe to the channel for more content such as this. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.